You have to prepare a presentation at work about things to happen in the future, like the company's future plans, sales, or earnings. So what future time expressions can you use? Hi, I'm Dora, and welcome back to a new and exciting episode of Bite Size English, your daily bite of English. In this episode, we're taking a look at future time language, phrases that will help you talk about things to come. Check out our Facebook page or website in the Extra Bites section for a worksheet related to this episode. If you like shows about useful phrases, please subscribe and comment below. We love to hear from you, and the more comments we get, the more we can tailor these episodes just for you. Let's start with the easier phrases. Any minute now, from now on, tomorrow's another day. I'm going to give you a quick quiz. See if you can guess which of these three expressions goes into which sentence. You can pause this video right here to take a minute and complete the sentences. Did you get these answers? Of course you did. These are all simple expressions about things that will happen in the near future. Any minute now is quite obviously an event that will happen so soon that it could be the very next minute. From now on, we are talking about immediately changing something we do now and into the indefinite future. And of course, tomorrow's another day is an expression we like to use mostly when we want to be optimistic about the future. We may not have accomplished what we wanted today, but no one knows what we may accomplish tomorrow. I'm going to give you a few seconds to compare these expressions. In the long run, at the end of the day, in due course. How are these different? They are about an indefinite future, yes. But no, in the long run is not about running, although we do love to see band members of BTS run. It's an expression we use for things that are for the long term. We use the adverb eventually or ultimately as synonyms. In the long run, the company will see more savings when more employees work from home. It's very similar to the expression at the end of the day, which is why, depending on the context of the expression, at the end of the day shouldn't be taken literally. At the end of the day, no matter where the employee works, as long as the work gets done, we will see that it's all fine. In due course is a little more challenging. You might see it in an email or a report and wonder, what does it mean? It means that something will be done in the future. We don't know when, but only when it's appropriate to do so, and no sooner than that. When the sales results are finalized, an annual report will be drafted in due course. Translation: an annual report will only be written when it's appropriate to do so. Makes sense. You can't write an annual report about the company's sales when you don't know the actual sales numbers yet, right? To be just around the corner is an expression we use metaphorically. It means that something will happen soon, in the near future. Based on all your hard work, I think that promotion is just around the corner. Your company thinks that they've taken on a new client, and before the client has even signed the papers, the company brags about it to its competitors and starts acting very confidently about how to spend the profits. You whisper to your colleague, "Aren't we getting a little ahead of ourselves here? Save the crystal for after the clients have signed, not now." To be getting a bit ahead of oneself is an idiomatic expression and a criticism you're making. What would you criticize the company about? Well, it's really about the behavior. When someone acts overly confident and plans too far in the future and doesn't focus on the details of the present. Here's a tip for you. At some point, you need to stop thinking of that speech or that report you're writing in your first language. Try to write it in English from the get-go. Sometimes there are expressions in English that just need to be remembered in English. Use imagery in your notes or remember how that expression was created and follow the tips from our previous episodes so that you internalize it. That's all for today, folks. Remember to click on subscribe, comment, and share below. Post us on your Instagram or Facebook, and I will love you for life, if I don't already. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.